Momentum. So Momentum are bringing liquidity to XSUI. And since this has launched, this has garnered some solid attention. This is not just trending, but it's the use case, or the usage rather, has been massive since launching. So things are looking pretty positive for Momentum and XSUI now. So let's dive into it. Now, before I do, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying these coins up. These were cryptos that I thought could do very well, could make a lot of money, which is obviously why I showed myself buying them. These were their prices when I recorded and released the vids. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle, and these are what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 in. 100 into each would have been a $2,600 investment. That would have netted your profit in the last bull cycle of over 123 grand. Now, that is pretty good. That took about 16 months. Thing is you don't have 16 months to get things sorted. We're in a bull cycle right now. If you've got cryptos you are not happy with, if there are coins that are simply not performing for you, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price. And on the site as well, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So I share all the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto like many of these that I think can do well, I tell my members about the crypto and the price I'd be buying it. I do the same when I sell, so there's no work for my members. Make the same profits I do. And if you go onto the site, you'll see some of the profits my members have made. You will see some of the successes that led to those profits as well. Like a meme coin the members held for a couple of weeks and it did a 300x. Like Phantom, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. Myself, my members got in at 0.5 cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. Many of my members became millionaires from that one alone. This is all public record, so you can verify it all on the history of this channel. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle this year, all you got to do to find out is join up on the site, guys. Now, Momentum. So really not long. We're talking like a day and a half, right? Launched at 50 cents. Rocketed up, actually hit highs of $4.16, right? This is on pretty much every market already except Coinbase. It's on Binance proper as well as Binance Alpha. It's on BitGet. If you're going to get it, I'd recommend using BitGet. The reason for that, they have one of the best welcome packs in crypto. If you join up using the link in the description, you're entitled to a $6,200 welcome pack. Now, obviously, you're not just going to get given that, you've got to actually do some activity on the site, but you can scale up, $10 here, $20 there, and so on and so on. Unless, of course, you've got like 20 million bucks, in which case one trade will inevitably get you that cash. But worth a look, guys. Now, Momentum is the global financial operating system for the tokenized future. That is what they're aiming to be. This was built on the Move language, empowered by the VE33 governance model. Its flagship product is the DEX, which is a concentrated liquidity market maker. So it's modeled on Uniswap's version 3 style architecture, and it's optimized for XSUI and the broader Move ecosystem. So since launching the beta on March of 31st, 2025, they've evolved into the central liquidity hub of the Move ecosystem. As of 25th of last month, they had over 2.1 million users, over $600 million in total value locked, and $26 billion in cumulative trading volume. They're trying to redefine how decentralized liquidity works through capital deployment. And as I said, use case wise, very, very good. So total value lock as of right now, 205 mil. You will, if you've used Uniswap, you can see that this is almost identical, right? There isn't anything confusing here. So you can swap any XSUI token. They have your liquidity pools as well, so you can have a look at the liquidity pools and decide how you want to participate. Maybe it's XSUI and Movement, maybe it's Momentum, XSUI and Momentum, XSUI, Momentum and USDC, and so on and so on. And you can see how the rewards are given. So it is worth noting, there are some very good rewards, etc. But you're you will run the risk of something such as impermanent loss. So you do need to understand what your risks potentially would be if you're doing that. But yeah, potential earnings here are quite nice, right? But yeah, understand your risks. They've obviously got their vaults as well. So the vaults are where you combine, again, some liquidity. Different vaults provide different APRs. Again, APRs are pretty damn good. Then you've got XSUI. This is where you stake and you get your XSUI. So say you wanted to stake, I don't know, 100 SUI. You will get 99.28 XSUI in return. And the stake fee is approximately what? Well, it's saying 0%. It's saying 0%. But the APY for XSUI 1.8%. So I don't think many people will necessarily be diving into doing that. Overall numbers, like I said, pretty damn good in terms of liquidity. 203 mil. Obviously, that's pulled back quite a bit from October 25th when they were at a high of 600 mil. So a lot of liquidity has lost. But swap volume is still pretty damn good. Still doing a couple $100 million of swaps a day. So again, numbers here, very, very nice. If you're going to supply liquidity, it is best to understand that you should go somewhere with high total value locked. If total value locked is too small, well, you'll almost always see that the total value locked and the APR tends to rise as the total value locked does drop. So, and again, if you do not understand impermanent loss, please read up on it before you supply liquidity. Momentum DEX is going to be at the core of a number of things like liquid staking. This will be how you can be more capital efficient. So you can get your XSUI and you can use this within the DeFi space. They're going to be they're aiming to be an institutional grade platform, unifying trading and compliance for tokenized assets, and that will be stocks as well as crypto. And they're going to have a token generation lab as well, where you can gain early access to SUI's blue chip token launches. Again, that actually offers real potential here. And they've got plenty of stable coins that are already participants in Momentum. Pretty damn good start for them. Pretty damn good start. They are part of Coinbase Ventures portfolio, OKX's Ventures portfolio, Jump Cryptos as well. No surprise that you've got some of these massive investors attached, and still Coinbase has not listed it yet. So probably going to see a Coinbase listing, not in the near future. If that happens, of course, price is going to surge. This is one where it's going to be a linchpin of SUI, and SUI looks to be a very, very solid blockchain that's probably going to maintain its position in and around that top 20 in terms of market cap, in which case one of its more powerful DEXs, one of its more important DEXs, are going to be also one of the coins that maintain their position in the top 100. Momentum to me looks like it should be $1 billion market cap sooner or later, especially as more money flows in. Obviously, there's been a sort of week or so period now, 10-day period, where money has flowed out. That will flow back in, especially when the market starts rising once again. And Momentum can break its previous all-time high with relative ease. I think this is going to be a winner in the crypto space. But what do you guys think? How high do you think Momentum is going to go this bull cycle? If you're a holder, what are you hoping to see? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, we are in a bull cycle. If you're sitting on coins you're not happy with, if you've got cryptos that are not performing, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to the site, full membership to the site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share all the coins I own with my members. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price I'll be buying it at. Whenever I sell, I do the same thing, so there's no work for my members. If you go onto the site, you will see some of the profits my members have made. You will see some of the successes that led to those profits as well. These are all public records, so you can verify them on this channel's history. Whether it is a meme coin the members were in and out of in a fortnight, they did a 300x, or whether it is Phantom, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. My members got in at 0.5 cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. This is all public records, so you can verify it all online. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you have to do to find out is join up on the site, guys. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.